What's up guys? Today I'm doing a quick unboxing video on the slimes, SIA slimes. Can't really see. Here we go. Box straight from the fulfillment center. Had to black out my info. Haven't even opened this. Feel from the packaging that the box is a little messed up. Oof. I don't know if you can see that somewhere in America. Ultra in the back. Open this. Fire. All right. Picks are clean. Shoelaces look a little long, but I know it's so I can wrap around the sneaker and whatnot. Got the other sneaker. Color made in China sticker here. These I think are size 6, 7. Not even sure. Well, I'm a 6.5 in men's, so I think they're 6 because it suggested you size down. These are them. I think I ordered them back in August. I literally just got them. Today is the day before Halloween, October 30th. So it's been a minute. It was a pre-order. They didn't have them in stock, so I know I had to wait a long time. I honestly haven't even been paying attention. I mean, I knew I was getting them soon. I'm actually going on vacation, so I'm hyped that I got them. But it's been a little while. Again, it was a pre-order, so the shoe was not in stock. I waited a few months.